Hello Thames, Miss Harper here checking in with you and saying hello. First thing we need to do is say happy birthday to 3 children who are 5. So we've got Avery in Nile class and Samantha in Thames and Mohammed in Thames. So happy birthday. I couldn't make you a real cake because I don't have any flour, but I have got some kinetic sand and I'm pushing it down in a bowl to see if I can make a pretend cake and then blow out some candles for you. Let's see if it's going to work. Oh, out it comes. Yeah, cake shaped. So now let's get 5 candles to put in the top. 1, 2, 3, whoops, 4, 5, and I'm going to do something very dangerous now that only grown-ups are ever allowed to do. I'm going to light a match and light the candles, striking it away from my face like this. Being very, very careful. It's an extra long match to make it a bit safer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So happy birthday Avery, Samantha and Mohammed. See if I can blow them all out at once. Yeah, I did it. Oh, I've got smoke in my eyes. Now, the next thing I wanted to show you is the tadpoles. Remember last time I showed them to you in a jam jar because I'd just gone and got 7 of them out of the pond. Well, I decided to keep those 7 because they seemed very happy, but I've given them some more space. I put them in a tank that is the same sort of tank that Mr. Lucy lives in. So they've got lots of room. I put some stones and gravel on the bottom and some special clean pond water in because you can't use tap water for tadpoles. It hurts them. And they're doing very, very well. Now I'm going to try and show them to you. It's quite annoying because every time I put the phone near them that I'm filming with, they wriggle away, but they're getting bigger. And the most interesting thing that's happened to them this week is they're not black anymore. They're turning a sort of blotchy, browny, greeny patterned colour, just like frog skin. So I think they are getting ready to change into frogs slowly. The next thing we have to look for is whether they grow any legs. Can't see any yet, but if we keep feeding them food, hopefully that will be the next thing to happen. Right, here we go. I've put the tank by the window so there's some light. Let's see if we can actually see any tadpoles swimming around. Come on, come and show Thames and Nile how big you're getting. There we go, there's one there, having its snack. It's eating the lettuce leaf, so I'm going to give it some more food in a minute. So they're getting on really, really well. Now, when you're feeding tadpoles, what they really like is lettuce, but you can't just give them normal crunchy lettuce straight out of the fridge. It's too hard for them to nibble. So what you have to do is you have to boil the lettuce, which cooks it and makes it really soft. So this is a lettuce leaf that I've boiled already. You see how floppy it is? That's what they like, boiled lettuce. So I'm going to put that in the tank for them. And it floats on top of the water and they come up and nibble it. I've also got some special tadpole food. Now they love this. It is absolutely disgusting if you sniff it. Oh, it smells horrible, but for them it's delicious. So they only need a tiny, tiny little pinch of this. I'll put it on the surface of the water and then they can nibble that, and that will hopefully help them to grow and turn into frogs. Now, the last thing I just want to say is keep checking the website. We're putting lots of ideas for activities for you to do on there. Have a look at the ones that you like the look of. See if you can do them with your grown-ups. I know some of you have got more time than others. It's not easy to fit everything in, but just have a look and hopefully some of them will be fun. This week they're all going to be about fast animals and big animals and monsters and numbers, and then we've also got some phonics, just so that you don't forget all the brilliant phonics you've been learning at school and you learn a few more tricky words. Anyway, hope you're all doing well and have a good week. See you soon. Bye.